Hey guys, welcome back to Vasant Kitchen. Today we are doing something really different. We're gonna make crispy chicken sliders, but I'm gonna split this recipe in 3 parts. We're gonna make chicken tenders for the sliders, we're gonna make blue cheese dressing to top it, and I'm gonna show you how to make buffalo wing sauce. It's a simple process, but don't forget it is 100% Vasant style. So guys, usually I go over the entire ingredient list with you guys, but this recipe is a little big. So we have it separated in 3 parts. So I want you to have a casual glance at the basic ingredients we're gonna use, but I'm gonna have everything posted in the description box, from the blue cheese dressing to the hot sauce. And you see we have dry spices, eggs, butter. I'm using about 3 pounds of clean chicken breast. I'm gonna show you how to make chicken tenders out of it. Simple process. We have buttermilk for the vessels. I'm gonna use my favorite brioche bun sliders. I just love brioche, that's why. And this is gonna be our dredging station. Like I always say, recipe might seem complicated, it might seem big, but you don't have to look at a recipe as a whole. Look at it in parts. First part is we're gonna make chicken tenders, and then we're gonna put it on the side. Then we're gonna make blue cheese dressing, then we're gonna make the hot sauce, and then we're just gonna assemble the sliders. It is simple, it is super fast, but it is the most coolest thing in the world, because who doesn't love sliders? I love sliders, one of my favorite things to eat. So now, without any further ado, let's get started. So to make tenders, just diagonal cuts. You see how I cut it? No hacking, just slide your knife out. See, this is what you want. We're gonna pound it, make it flat, and make amazing chicken tenders. Just like that. With a mallet, I like to just break the muscle down a little bit. So when you bread them, this is what you want. When you bread them, they stay nice and flat. Just very easy, light on. See, that's what you want. Chicken is completely done. Look at this. We broke the muscle, it's nice and flat, it's gonna season evenly. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take 2 cups of buttermilk and I'm gonna soak it for about half hour. So just put it in and just get your hand, make sure you put gloves on, and you make sure you just get soaked in it. Cover it, put it in your refrigerator for half hour. And then we're gonna start breading. I'm gonna start making the dredging flour. I'm gonna use 4 cups of flour. And I'm gonna show you how to season it properly, so the breading has a lot of flavor. This is the basic dredging station. I have 4 cups of flour down. This is the seasoning mix. We did 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. I'm gonna just mix it in. So what this is gonna do is it's gonna season the breading on the chicken fingers. Let's these eggs really quick. I'm gonna show you the full station. Instead of using my hands, I'm gonna use tongs, you know. So we're gonna do maybe 5 pieces at a time. I don't like to overcrowd it and make up clumps. That simple. So from here, we're gonna dip it in egg, back in flour, dip it in egg, back in flour, and repeat the process. It's gonna double coat it. Breading is gonna be nice, crunchy, flaky because we have baking soda in it. And just like this. From here, I'm gonna just make sure flour is on every side. Shake off the excess flour and let it rest. That's the resting area. Shake off the flour. and let it rest. No. Chicken is completely ready to go in the fryer. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna gently put it down. I have the fryer going at 375. Look, I'm gonna show you the initial thing on the breading. See this? How beautifully it's coated. Love that. Gonna keep adding. Don't overcrowd your fryer. I like to put no more than 5 pieces. You know, it's gonna lose its temperature if you put it in. The breading is gonna start to fall off. It's not. Just 3 to 4 pieces at a time. Takes maybe 5 minutes to 6 minutes for it to be fully done. I'm gonna show you, but look at the breading. So I have them in the fryer for about 7, almost going on 8 minutes. Wow, look at that. Look at the breading. Oh wow, it's super crunchy. And look how beautifully it's coated. And we're gonna see if they're ready or not. Simple. I recommend you using tongs. Check this out. Cooked through and through. Ouch. And we're gonna take them out. We deep fried them for 8 minutes to be sure. And now we're gonna put them on the wax paper. And we're gonna finish the rest. Top part of the recipe is complete. I want to show you the chicken tender. Look at the coating, how beautiful. We fried it for about 6 to 8 minutes. I like it for 8 minutes because I like my chicken fingers well done. I'm going to show you the middle. Look at that. While the chicken fingers are resting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make quick blue cheese dressing. I'm going to make 2 cups of mayo because I'm going to make a big batch because we love blue cheese dressing here. 1 and 2. I like to use Hellman's mayo. It's the perfect, most awesome mayo. Yes, as you can tell, I love mayo either. Most tedious part of the recipe is getting the I'm gonna add 1 cup, half and half. I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of sour cream. 1 cup crumbled blue cheese. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 teaspoon salt. Black pepper. Granulated garlic and sugar. I'm gonna whisk it in. Wow. You can buy blue cheese dressing or you can make this because this is just awesome. Look at the consistency, how chunky and creamy. Blue cheese dressing is complete and I just want you to look at it. How creamy, thick, chunky it is. You can buy it or you can make this. It is super simple, not too many ingredients. It's very easy to follow. And I make this for my own catering company and my clients love it, my kids love it, and I love it. Because this is 100% Basant style. Hot sauce or buffalo wing sauce is super easy. You take half a stick of butter and about a cup of your favorite hot sauce. I love Frank's Red Hot, so that's what I'm gonna use. Because it's just the perfect kind of hot sauce. And you'll see the difference. On medium heat, cook it down, let the butter mix in, cook it down. And you'll see it'll start changing color, start to get thick. You see? It's already getting light orange. Once this thing completely dissolves, it's the perfect ratio. You can see sauce is ready. We did it on medium heat. Butter didn't break down. It just mixed in with the sauce. It got thicker and the color changed. That's exactly what you want. 1 cup versus half stick of butter. But I'll have it written down in the description box for you. And this is gold. I'm gonna do a quick recap. We did the chicken fingers. We made blue cheese dressing and I showed you how to make buffalo wing sauce. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start assembling our sliders. I took the brioche bun, I heated it up in the oven for like 5 seconds. I cut the tops off, tops are resting right here. And this is gonna be where we're gonna build our sliders. So I like to put a little bit of sauce or blue cheese dressing on the bottom. So what it does is it holds lettuce in place. That's a simple trick, but I think it's really neat. So your sandwich stays intact because it has to look hot too. You don't want things falling off of it. So just a little tiny little dollop. I'm gonna start putting the lettuce down. I like to use spring mix because it has all different kinds of leaf mixed in, and look, gives it that cool look to it instead of using just plain lettuce. You know, not a fan of plain stuff. Phase 2 is we're gonna put the chicken down. The awesome chicken fritters, which came out amazing. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of hint of sauce, not a lot because these are tiny sliders, so you don't want to overpower it. Just a little hint of buffalo. Look how beautiful it looks on it. I just love this color. Now I'm gonna put a little dollop of blue cheese. So hot counteracts with savory. Look how gorgeous these colors look. This is why I love spring mix. It has so much. Look how beautiful they're coming. The color combinations, the dressing, the sauce. I just love building sliders. It's my favorite thing to do. So much life. Can have sliders without raw onions, my favorite part. Just how beautiful they look. Forget about eating them. So the basic part of building a slider is complete. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start put buns on them. And I want you to see, look at that. That's hot. I love this. So this is it. Sliders are ready. I'm gonna show you really quick because I am totally in love with them. Look how gorgeous they look. Perfect size, perfect snack, perfect appetizer, and they're super easy to make. I'm gonna show you one last step that we need to do. We're gonna put a toothpick in it. So what's gonna do is it's gonna hold it. Not only that it looks amazing, it's gonna hold it together. Look at this. Aesthetics are off the hook. This. So the recipe is complete. I cannot wait to move on to my favorite part. We're gonna start plating, and I have something really cool to plate. So let's get it done because it is Basant style. Complete. We put it in 3 parts. We did the blue cheese dressing, we did the chicken tenders, and we made the buffalo wing sauce. And I want you to look at the beautiful color combinations that are going on over here. We have the brioche buns, we have the spring mix, tomatoes, onions, hot sauce, blue cheese. It is everything that I love. This is everything that I love cooking. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, Basant style. For my favorite part, I'm gonna take it for a spin. Wow. The tender, the sauce, off the hook. I'm gonna go in for one more time. That's not flat.